foam. Felt like a beer shower. And my mirror. That was good. Now I just need to drink some more, because I like to drink. I'm an alcoholic. It was a lot of fun. Ooh, Malta beers, roaring fire, fresh meat straight off the bone. We've had one breakfast, yes. What about seconds? Does he know about 11Cs? Lunch? Dinner? I don't count on it. Yep. Pretty cool. Subscribe. Hope you enjoyed my video. I gotta figure out some new shit to do. These lonely drinking videos are getting kinda old. And yeah. I'll figure something else out eventually. Just if you have any challenges for me, go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll do my best to try and fails or wins. The challenges you send me, I'll attempt. Thanks for watching.